This is not it. No, this don't taste good.
Baby, make you come to the center. If I give you, remember. Oh yes. You come to the center.
Hey classy fam, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're actually going to be trying snacks from Treats. So this is a website where you can get, like, I believe a subscription, and you get some snacks every month from around the world. So yeah, I ordered this a few weeks ago and it finally came in. I'm just gonna open this box and we're gonna see what we got, and we're gonna try and taste all of these things. Okay, so when you first open it, this is what you see. I'm not sure which, so they send you a package with snacks from a certain country, right? Yeah, something like that. So right away I see this little, let's see what this is. Oh, like the package, this is a sticker. I'm trying to rip it off. This looks like a flag. I'm guessing the flag of the country I got snacks from. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, okay, so the first thing you see is the card. The place I got, I'm guessing these things are from Ireland. So that's the flag for Ireland. It's right here. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so yeah, my snacks are from Ireland. Okay. Then it gives you a second card with facts, Ireland facts. I don't know, I guess I'll read this later. And then here's the snacks that they put in the box. By the way, you guys, I'm gonna link all these the names of these things down below, and I'm also gonna link to the website, by the way. Yeah, so yeah, let's get into it. I don't know which one I want to try first. All right, so I'm gonna try this first. What is this? Ew. All right, so the first thing, this looks like potato chips, but the flavor is cheese and onion. So let's see what this tastes like. It stink. Oh yeah, it's just regular potato chips. Bismillah. You have to say Bismillah, man. This tastes like sour cream and onion chips. That's what this tastes like. It's okay. Tastes like sour cream and onion from Utz or UTZ, something like that. If you're from the USA, you know which chips I'm talking about. It tastes like that. It says it's cheese and onions, but it don't taste like cheese at all. So next, each snack, by the way, I'm giving to my sister who's right there, because she's been fiending for me to open these up and eat it. So the next thing I'm gonna try is this right here. It's called Crunchy from Cadbury. I don't know what this is. It looks like a candy bar. So candy, oh, it's a chocolate candy bar. Okay, it just broke apart, and this what it looked like. Hold on, show y'all the inside of this. It's like a fake Twix, y'all. It tastes like, it just smells like regular chocolate. Okay, it tastes like Twix, but that's literally what it tastes like. Yeah, it tastes like a Twix, y'all. Okay, so the next item is this right here. It's potato chips and the flavor is cheese and onion. I also got another the first one I tried was cheese and onion as well. So I don't know why they sent me the same shit. I mean, it's from a different brand, so I guess I'll try this brand. So I'm gonna try this brand and see what this one tastes like. Or if this one actually tastes like cheese, because the first one didn't. It smells the same. This one tastes better. This one has more like onion sour taste. You still don't taste the cheese though, but this one tastes much better. This is the one with the, what is this called? Tato. Oh shit.
I was saying give me some.
So it went that way. My sister picked it up, so whatever. But yeah, that one actually tastes way better than the first one. Okay, next. Ooh, what's this? This is called Mega Meanies. Yeah. Okay, so pickled onion flavor. These smells are strong. Like they smell so strong. Okay, so it just looks like this. Looks like little kid chips. This is not it. No, this don't taste good. Okay, so the last thing that's in here is this right here. So these are custard creams, biscuits, whatever. So it looks like they sell it for $1 over there. This is kind of big for $1, y'all. They're out there with the discounts in Ireland. But yeah, let's try this. This looks pretty good actually. Custard creams. Let's see what that tastes like. Okay, some of these are broken, but they smell good. These are good. These are good. They taste like the golden Oreos. These that taste good. This is bomb. I'm gonna body these shits. I need water. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. It was just 5 snacks, like I said, all from Ireland. I guess every time you order you get different snacks. So when I ordered, I got snacks from Ireland. But yeah, you can definitely check this out. I watched some video from Maya Lachey. That's where I got the idea to order from them. It was pretty cheap actually. I used her code, so check out her channel, use her code, you'll get like $2 and some change off. And I believe the box is $13, so when you get the $2 off you pay like $11. But yeah, so definitely try treats if you are like a person who likes trying new things. You're gonna like it. I enjoyed these things. I might order it again, but hopefully I get from a different country, because some of these snacks they have, it's just really, the flavors is real strong, like except for the cookies and the chocolate bar. Those have to be my favorite. But yeah, other than that, everything was pretty good. And I'm gonna go buzz down those cookies because they actually taste mad good. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on all my social media, and I hope you guys check out Treats. I'll leave their link down below as well. Bye guys.
body.